so fly. All my old friends saying ain't nothing new. All my competition saying what we gonna do.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I am here today with another crochet tutorial. And today I am going to be crocheting in some distressed butterfly locks. So here is my hair, very luscious and healthy. And you know what? Let's scratch that because these ends, they they are looking a little rough. But praise the Lord. I'm going to go ahead and part my hair from side to side, and then I'm going to section off the front into little sections. I'm going to be doing the illusion method, which I'm going to demonstrate here. So it's not going to be a cornrow going straight back. It's going to be braids compiled into each other. I don't know if that's the right word, but it's going to be braids being braided into each other. So the idea here is to make it look like you have individual crochet braids without it actually being individualized. So I have this first braid here. So you braid it down about half an inch or an inch, whatever your preference is, and then you take that same braid and you feed it into the other section that you have parted off. And then when you actually crochet in the hair, it's going to look like you have two butterfly locks coming out. You guys get what I'm saying? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to put a verbal description of what I'm actually trying to display here. But you're feeding in the front braid into the back parted off section to give the illusion of two distressed butterfly locks. And when you're done braiding it, you don't braid it all the way down because you're going to connect it to a cornrow that's going to be going back. So you just braid it like before, about an inch to half an inch, and then you go on to the next section. So in this next section here, I think I'm going to have actually three braids connected into each other. So I will display it here again. I am going to braid this first braid down about half an inch. After I braid this braid, I'm going to go ahead and go on to the next braid. And if you can see clearly here, I am connecting the first braid into the second section. And make sure you get the sections out of the way so that your parts can look neat and everything can look put together. So I'm braiding down the first braid into the second section, and after I do that, I'm going to connect that same section to the third section. So the second braid is going to connect into the third section, and then that'll be it for that row, and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and finish the whole front, because I believe by now you guys get the idea. See here? Voila. I'm going to finish the front and I'll be right back. So here is the front half. This is how it turned out. And as you guys can see, it looks like I have little boxes connected to each other. So that's the goal here. We want it to look like box braids without it actually being box braids. So I'm going to go ahead and take the back half of my hair down so I can continue on the braiding process in preparation for the crochet installation. So what I'm going to do is go ahead to the back. I'm also going to do a row of the illusion method in the back as well. Now the reason why I'm doing this in the back is because if I decide to put my locks in a ponytail, I want the illusion to be all around, if I'm making sense. So as you see here, I'm braiding. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, but I'm braiding the first section, and I'm going to take that section and feed it in to the next section. After about half an inch, I'm feeding it here into the next section, and so on and so forth. I'm going to take this section and feed it in to the final section. So the back will have 3 individual locks. And also I am going to do this on the side because we want the ponytail to look uniformed all around, just in case I do decide to put it into a ponytail. We want it to look uniform. So I am also going to do the illusion method on both sides of my hair.
We about to go one. You know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know they meet my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere. You know you love, they know you see me. So you very much can relate to what I've been through. So maybe I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like it.
So the braid up is done. Here is the finished result. I ended up crocheting the ends of the braids into the cornrows themselves. Now the hair that I'm going to use today is from Toyotress. They were kind enough to send me this. It's 16 inches in the color 1B. This is how the individual pack looks, and each pack, I believe, came with 10 individual locks, and there were a total of 8 packs, giving me a total of 80 locks. So that's a lot. These 2 crochet needles came with it. I'm going to speed up the process here and go ahead and crochet the hair in, and I'll be back with the end result.
You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. We saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Yeah. Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know. Oh, you know me, God. You know you're from that place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. Coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song. Pretty, pretty, there ain't nothing going wrong. Really, really, so good when you came my way. You came in laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, we saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money, yeah. Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you know me, God, you like this, we know you're from that place. I'm from my place, you meet my family. We about to go up, we about to go on. You know you like my family.
So here is the end result. It is so cute. I am gonna go ahead and swoop my edges up, and that's basically it. I'll insert some pictures at the end. I forgot to come back and show you guys the end result, but I'll insert some pictures. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for Toyotress for the hair, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were